Some call it City of Art, others say it is City of God. But today I'm here to find out for myself. This is Osogbo, the art of tradition, the soul of a people that never forget. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more authentic videos like this. Every city has a rhythm, but Osogbo rhythm beats differently. It is not just the sound of a town waking up, it is the heartbeats of history whispering through time. The road to Osogbo feels like crossing into another world, where modern life bows gently to tradition. They say, the forest breathes. Every rustle is a prayer. Every sculpture is a story carved in silence. You don't just walk through the groove, you listen to it. Osogbo is where art speaks Yoruba, bold, colorful, spiritual. Yeah, creativity isn't just talent, it is inheritance. This is where Osogbo breathes loudest, in our markets. Every sound, every color, tradition, emotion. You can't truly know a city until you taste it. In Osogbo, food is not just for the stomach, it's for the spirit. From the street to the shrine, every sound carries a message. The talking drum still tells stories, even to those who don't listen. As the sun sets over Osogbo, I realized that this city is not just about places, it is about presence. Osogbo doesn't just exist in time, it lives in memory. One city, 1,000 stories. This is Osogbo, the spirit that never fades. Kindly comment if you have been to this place and kindly subscribe for more videos like this.